Hey guys, welcome to your channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about and how to use the Brivity for real estate transaction management. So the first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser and then search for brivity.com and you'd be directed to this website. And as you can see, before we can actually create an account here, we have to contact the customer support. Okay, so that would be able to create an account or get a demo first before you decide to create an account. So for this video, we're just going to talk about the things that you need to know about the Brivity and then the benefits of using this one. Okay, so starting off with the CRM. So this is the Brivity CRM right here. So we are going to check on this one first. Okay, so prospecting to closing all in one place. So the Brivity's powerful real estate CRM software helps you create stronger relationship, manage your funnel more efficiently, and close more deals. So yeah. Next, automated lead response and nurture programs. So you can activate built-in nurture programs for buyers, sellers, inactive prospects, open house visitors, website visitors, or build your own for effortless communication with leads. Then you can also send engaging content to consumers actually want to receive market reports and listing alerts. Next, you can connect with more contacts and record outcomes instantly with the Brivity's integrated dialer, and then leverage proven call, email, and text scripts developed by the top producing agents for the maximum conversations. Okay, so here you can design an marketing automation tool, so instantly create beautiful flyers, postcards, and social media graphics that align with the brand. Now for the Brivity AI Write, so quickly create engaging content with the Brivity's AI-powered writing assistant. You can compose your emails, text messages, and notes with ease. So that's one of the advantages of using the Brivity. Okay, so we also have the transaction management right here. So you manage the life cycle of a transaction from pre-listing through closing. Okay, and then you can utilize scheduled tasks and triggered activities to send emails, text messages, or assign new tasks to ensure timeliness and accuracy. You can also keep clients informed of everything you do for the fees you charge, including tasks, showing feedback, and where their property is marketed with the automated email updates and 24-hour access. Next is the Brivity CMA. Okay, so yeah. Brivity CMA real estate reports do it all. So are you ready to take control of the conversations and give clients a comparative market analysis report they love? So what's a Brivity CMA? This is your win more listing presentations. So yeah, take your listing presentation to the next level with a beautiful custom branded Brivity comparative market analysis report that win potential clients trust and convert them into signed contracts by showing them to one knows the real estate market better than you. And for the price, your listings is sell using our 555 strategy. So stun your potential clients with accurate real estate CMA reports using the Brivity's proven 555 strategy. So comparing 5 active, 5 pending, and 5 sold. Plugging into rich and up-to-date MLS data to price zones correctly so that your listings actually sell. So keep in touch with your sphere, past clients and leads, to gain more visibility with their clients and leads by sending them branded CMA and market reports. Okay, so Brivity CMA is part of the real estate CRM Brivity platform. Next is the Brivity IDX website. So your brand is unique, so your real estate website should be too. Brivity websites are customizable, responsive, and designed to capture massive amounts of leads. Give your website visitors exactly what they're looking for to keep them coming back. So here we have the samples of the different designs. So you can customize this website once you have your Brivity account. Okay, so we have here the different websites. So we are going to visit one website right here so that you'd be able to see the difference. So for example, this one, you just have to view the site. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So here it is. Okay, so as you can see, this is the website that you can customize once you create your account. So here, everything that you can see here are customizable. Okay, So we have here more sample websites that we can view. And of course, Brivity has an advanced lead capture, okay, and a home valuation pages, and of course, a single property sites. That's right, and open house registration pages. Okay, so now let's proceed to the next features. We have the Brivity lead gen. So capture more leads, build your brand, close more deals. Okay, so finally, a comprehensive real estate lead generation and branding program designed around your business goals, whether it's generating real estate leads or engaging your existing database. So, Brivity's team of advertising experts worked with you to craft a custom strategy proven to produce results. So, here is the real estate lead gen solutions. So we have Google PPC, Facebook leads, your marketing, DIY ads, CRM integrations, and advertising for real estate leads. Okay, so leverage MLS listings, be seen on Google. Just have to place your ads or engage prospects with the targeted ads as well. And stay top of mind with the branded display ads. Next, let's proceed to the Brivity lead Brivity Marketer. So here you can create auto-generated marketing materials in a heartbeat. So Brivity Marketer is one-stop shop for creating real estate postcards, flyers, ads, social media graphics, and marketing materials in a flash, and it's all part of the Brivity platform. Okay? So here, instantly create and send postcards and flyers, so you can showcase listings, mail with ease. You have your real estate ads right here, easy listings import, easy customization, so generate social media. And right here, you can customize to your liking, so market yourself with the customizable designs. You can choose your own design, ready to use designs for real estate and special occasions. So technically, the Brivity is all-in-one real estate platform designed to help agents, teams, and brokeragers manage their businesses more efficiently. It offers powerful tools for lead generation, customer relationship management, transaction coordination, and marketing automation. So it features like auto plans for follow-up, IDX integrated websites, team task management, and customizable drip campaigns. Brivity streamlines communication and keeps clients engaged throughout the buying or the selling process. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.